What's up everybody, this is Aircrete Harry, and in today's video I want to introduce you to a very handy multi-power tool. It's a 4-in-1 garden trimming combo by Wild Badger. It's a very useful tool. On their website you can see they have a number of combos that you can order. I chose this one right here, but you can get this on Amazon as well. It has the grass trimmer, the hedge trimmer, the rotatable pole saw, and the brush cutting blade. Really good. Here I'm assembling the unit. When you get everything new in the box, you have these shafts that are here, so you have to assemble the parts to it. So I'm going to first assemble all the different shafts. Here's the rotatable pole saw, also known as a chainsaw. And this is the main reason that I got this kit, is because I have a lot of trees with a lot of dead limbs that are low and they're very hard to reach. I have a traditional chainsaw, but I'm getting all poked in the face when I go to cut it. So this unit here is great because of this pole. I never even thought about it until I saw this on Amazon. And I said, man, that's my answer right there. It's just to get this chainsaw on a pole. Here is a convenient shoulder harness. So this is the shoulder harness that comes with the unit. And you can see, you could just let it hang there. Starts right away. Real easy to operate. So I'm just demonstrating here the different attachments. So I didn't really get this for grass cutting or hedge trimming, but I'm going to demonstrate those pieces since I have them. Again, the main reason I got them is for that pole saw or the chainsaw. Here you can see the same pole shaft that holds the grass trimmer. You could connect your brush cutting blade to. The brush cutting blade goes on real quick. As you can see, that was real time. It didn't take me any time at all to put that on. There I go, cutting my my grass and some brush with that. Yes, and it's very easy to assemble. You can see how I'm going to change between the brush cutter to the pole saw or chainsaw on a pole. It cuts really great, and this is just one example. I have thousands of trees like this around the property. Yes, 2-cycle engine, gas powered. So many have these dead branches on the bottom. The dead branches are useful for us as firewood, but they're also like a safety precaution to not have any dead branches on the bottom, just for fire prevention, because this is fire season. We had a fire not too long ago, not too far from us. It was like 50,000 acres or something was burning. Some crazy number. So anyway, this is just one little fire prevention measures that I could take here by getting rid of all the dead branches that are hanging on the trees, and then also collect that for firewood to use in our fire pits as well as the rocket stove. Cuts really good. You can see these limbs just falling off the tree, no problem. Those are some of the bigger limbs, and I cut a bunch of smaller limbs here. I'm really happy I got this. Look at this. It makes the cutting so much easier. The main reason I got it, and I'll be doing a lot of cutting in the next few weeks with this, clearing up all the dead branches and just building up a firewood pile as well at the same time. So here I'm changing out, and I just put on the hedge trimmer, and you can see the little blades moving back and forth. Yeah, it was cutting no problem. Some of the wood was maybe a ½ inch thick on some of the pieces I was cutting. This here is probably about a ½ inch or so, but yeah, it cut right through. So if you want to make your garden look pretty and trim your hedges and all the other things, it's a really good tool. If you're interested in this, I'll have a link in the description box below so you could get your own Wild Badger multi-power tool. Mrs. Aircrete getting the nice flower shots in there with me. Comes with a 3-year warranty as well, which is really nice to have on any power tools.